like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out the description and about Empower by Rootswork. Wash and clean the chicken with lemon juice, and rum to season it. So this is gonna be pork, shredded pork, chicken. It's gonna be battered with shredded pork. Just season it up with some salt. Some mestizo blend from Empower by Rootswork. Got it seasoned up. Now I'm gonna dump the shredded pork on there, mix that in, and then put it in the Foreman grill. And there you go. Okay, got it warming up and heating up. And I will add my shredded pork, chicken to it and let it cook. Alright, here we go. Frying is not my specialty, so checking it, maybe I might be opening it too soon. Really have an option to go to the experts today, so I gotta figure it out for myself and have a go and hope it comes out tasting well, because every time I've fried before, never really come out too great or too hot. Flavor and the seasoning are all on point. It's either undercooked or majorly overcooked. Cooking away, it smells pretty awesome. All four sides have been cooked. Now I can't tell if it's been evenly cooked, but I'm gonna cook it a few more minutes. It's sizzling, but to my untrained ears, I can't tell how well I'm doing. You just have to wait until it's finished. I have noticed that the shredded pork don't handle the heat too well, so maybe it might have been best for an air fryer or baking, and not so much the George Foreman grill. The mestizo blend is holding up well, and it's the first time I've used it to fry on the grill like this. I've fried with it before, but not like this before. I am going to go ahead and pull them off. The excitement is overwhelming. I am elated with joy and jazziness and zeal for this tasty meal. There you have it, the final product. Hot out of the Empower by Rootswork kitchen documentaries. Outdoor kitchen, Empower by Rootswork. Delicious, perfectly cooked, so yummy and so tasty. Empower by Rootswork blend.